Welcome back. Just wanted to give you an update on our citrus here. This is our Satsuma Mandarin. The specific variety is a Frost Owari. This is its first year setting fruit, and I'm going to harvest a few that are ready. So I'm going to actually cut them because they're pretty heavy and I don't want to pull the entire branch down. Trying to do this with one hand. Okay. A few of them look a little more orange on camera than they are in real life. Okay, well that is exciting. I think I'm going to leave the rest to get a little bit more ripe. We've got a few kumquat that are ready. Let me grab those. And I think I saw a Palestine sweet lime down here that was ready for harvest as well. There it is right there. That is a nice little harvest. Beautiful.